This particular website I'm about to show you will pay you from $1 to $30 just for a task, and these tasks are tasks that you can do within 50 seconds to 1 minute. They are very easy tasks. They are short-term tasks. Tell me which website to pay you to do will pay you $30 to do simple tasks. And believe you me, this is not a website that pays you coins or points or credit. No, this one pays you real dollar, like real money to work. And this work are work that you can easily do in the space of how many minutes and get done with it. So this is an international website I want to show you guys, and stick with me to the end of this video because what? This video is going to be lit. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Take a chill pill. Take a chill pill, subscribe to our channel and relax. This particular website, it says earn more money, set your own hours, work from home. This particular website is amazing. It is an international website that pays people in dollars to do simple tasks. Some of them include data gathering, image gathering, checking what is wrong with something or what is right with something. They are just simple short tasks that you can do. So without wasting much of our time, let's just see how this what is in this website, like how their life is on this particular website, because it is a website that has multiple people from different phases of life. It doesn't matter if you're from Nigeria, from Angola, from Kenya, from US, from Ghana, anywhere you are, this website is legit and they accept workers. So without wasting much of our time, let's just go. It says work for open. We are looking for people from all over the world to participate in some of our many exciting work from home opportunities. These opportunities range from simple surveys that can be completed in less than 1 hour onto ongoing projects that last for months or longer. Leverage social media interests, mobile device savviness, your college degree in linguistics, online research skills, or passion for images, videos, or audio. With so many diverse project chances, we have got something waiting for you. We have got something for you. So basically, what they are trying to explain here is the things you'll be doing for them, for they to pay you. You understand? I do say this, that on this online street, if you want to make money, you have to have something that you want to exchange in order for them to pay you in dollars. You understand? So these people here, they're saying that if you know that you can do online research, like just if you have that research skills, if you have passion to match images, videos, all of those kind of things, you can just come on this website and sign up. If you join this particular website, this is what you'll be doing. You'll be able to explore their translation, transcription, data collection, search education, social media and logistics project and linguistics project. In fact, on this particular website, you can be a social media manager on this particular website. You will have flexible remote jobs, diverse projects to choose from, short and long term projects. But guys, let me show you what this particular website looks like when it is in a desktop form. Can you see it? The website is really filled with details in case you have any question whatsoever. Now take a look at it here. It says how it works. It's just a simple mathematics of how it works. You sign up, you build your profile. Let me go back so that you guys will be able to see the mobile version. This is the mobile version. It says how it works. We connect people to engage in tasks and contribute to the advancement of artificial intelligence. What they do is the things you do on this website will help them to build the intelligence or the knowledge of their artificial intelligence. This AI, they want to make them like humans, so they are trying to help them improve on their recognition, identification and all of that. And that is where you and I come in. It says sign up, start your journey by clicking the join now button and completing a quick registration process. So without wasting much of our time, what we just do is to click on this sign up, join happen here. From here you click on register. Once you click on register, it will take you to a place where you fill in your details to register for your website. You understand? So we allow it to load. Now you're registering as a contributor. Please do not register as an advertiser or company holder. Just register as a contributor. Says it says enter your email address. Make sure that it is the email address that is very active. Then you have your password. You make sure that your password includes alphabet, numbers, and I think alphanumeric or asterisk, this asterisk symbols, alphabet, numbers, and this symbol. Then your first legal name, then your last name, which is the middle and the last name. You click on I agree to upon terms and condition. So guys, if you have issues or whatsoever, you can reach out to them directly from their website. You understand? So let me just log in. It's loading. It's loading. We need to see how the website looks like. Now this is how the website looks like. If you have available tags, there are different things that you can do on this particular website. This is the section for available tax. When you come here, this will be the section for the taxes that you have applied for, if you have any. And if you have finished a project, this will be the section for your finished project. You understand? Then you click on this three dots and you come to where it says profile. So once you click on profile, please try and fill in all the details about you and your profile, whatever. Try and input everything that you want to input. Then you come to where it says others. If you need help, you click on others and you get help. But if you want to fill in all your details, just click on this image icon here. Once you click on this image icon here, you see the details that you have filled in and the ones that you're meant to add more. Now if you understand other languages, especially if you understand French, Spanish, and other languages, you'll be able to fill it in here and explore more project, like more international project. Now, if you click on this more about me, more about you is basically more about you, like you inputting a lot of details about you, like the entertainment and activities, the things you love to do, environmental, your family. These are just survey questions, and please answer all of them, because if you answer all of them you get paid as well. If you answer all of them, there is a particular reward associated to with one section. Like this happen work, it has its own amount of money. This entertainment and activities has its own amount of money. Environmental has its own amount of money. Now when you come to where it says personal info are just details about you that you need to fill in to unlock more project. Then you come to where it says setting is just basically you inputting your email, validating your account, because this account is a legit account where you can make money on it. You get, people tend to steal people's account and all of that, so they did another security update, which is validating your smartphone. Any smartphone you'll be using to access this particular website has to be validated. Much of our time, let's just go to where it says this tree button and click on project here and click on project list. So once you click on project list, this is where you get to see the work available for you. And mind you, their means of payment is Payoneer and PayPal. Yes, if you have a PayPal account, you can sign up and start making money. If you do not have, you can reach out to me to create a PayPal account for you. And if you have a Payoneer account, it also works, but not in all cases. You get me? So you come to where it says project and you click on view all. Now this view all will view all the available projects that you have at that particular time. As every day they update their website, so they update their project. As at when I'm recording this video, there is 3 tasks available for me to do, and unless I finish those tasks or these available tasks, I cannot do any other tasks. Do you understand me? Now this particular one is Wild Bay. I don't want this video to be too lengthy, so let's just click on it and see what the project is about. Now, the goal of this project is to make technology products and services more accessible and relevant to everyone. As part of this, we want to work with members of the crowd who have previously worked on website accessibility testing. Now, this is just basically a website testing task that you get to test a website and drop your review. And what you just get to do is, screen record and tell them if the website is too slow, or if it is too fast, or if it's not, capturing your questions or what you're saying and all of that. That's just what you have to do on this particular one. Now, this auto Mendoto, let's check this Mendoto. It says it is a short-term job. So let's check this Mendoto. Mendoto is just a video data collection and it pays $3. So embarking on the project Mendota, journeying promises on exciting and stimulating opportunity to play a pivotal role in advancing the boundaries of recognition technology. So this is probably like a game video or a shoot where you need to recognize some things. You need to recognize them, categorize them under some things. And this thing is just short term. It says record 3 to 20-second action videos uploaded. These are just something that you just do within 3 to 20 seconds. Very, very fast. Where it says $30 per tax and is Melody. I don't know, video data collection as well. This Melody is also video data collection. They need your live video or your live images, you understand? So that's just basically what you need to do here. And they will pay you your $30. You get me, on this particular website. This one in a day. The next day you refresh your page and you see more jobs. That is how this particular website runs. You get, they don't just stockpile jobs for you to do. You understand? There is also another type of job on this particular website, but this particular one, believe you me, it is only if you have a laptop or a desktop that you'll be able to do it. It is this second one, this quick tax. If you have a desktop or a laptop, it's super fast to do this particular quick task, where you get to earn money just by sitting down. Like, it is super fast. It's quick money you can earn and you can do in one sitting. This one, I think, is usually 3 seconds or 1 minute job, this particular one, and it is super easy. I think it is just you maybe answering a puzzle, or doing poker joints, or tracing an alphabet, a word, just normal things that you do. You get. So please let me know what you think about this particular website. If you have tried it out, or if you're about to try it out, the name of this website is called Happen, or contributor.happen.com. You can type in Happen on your browser, or contributor.happen.com, and it will take you straight to their website. Without wasting much of our time, guys, let me know what you think about this particular website. If you like it, if you've tried it out, if you feel it's okay, or just hearing it and saying it is super interesting, please let me know in the comment section. I will be in the comment section. If you have any questions, please ask. I will be in the comment section to reply all your questions. If you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do what, subscribe to our channel, like this video and share. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you.